And then Ben, just kiss her temple for me. Yeah, like that. Hold it. Beautiful. Nice. And then Ben, can you give her like a bear hug? Maybe a bit higher. Yeah. This one is on top of his hand. Yeah. Can you hold this for me? Thank you. Yeah. Perfect. Just kiss her cheek for me. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Nice. And look that way, Taylor. Look that way. Yep. Lovely.